Mr. Jim, tumbukin mo Caballero Veloso and Coach Ronnie Tessico. With 3 more runners are still outside, Graceful, Cobble Entry, Heroine, and Indian Princess. Graceful inside, 2 more entries, 1,500 meters is the voyage. The favorite Cobble Entry, Heroine, and Indian Princess. Heroine inside, only 1 entry. Indian Princess still outside, walking forward now. Indian Princess inside, all set. Away they go. Heroine from the outside, rushing out by the Queen Mamba. It's now Queen Mamba, Hurricane G moving up. Indian Princess, Heroine racing in Port Graceful, running by the Lirao, and entry number 3, City Lights, is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Queen Mamba by some 3, followed by Indian Princess from the outside. And running down on the inside, Hurricane G, Erwin racing import by some 3 lengths. Running down on the inside, Lirao, then comes Graceful, and City Light still running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post, Queen Mamba by some 2. Indian Princess running in second. Hurricane G is running in third, and rushing up now is Lirao, Heroine, Graceful. Rounding the far turn, it's still Queen Mamba by a length. Indian Princess, Hurricane G sneaking down on the inside. Then here comes Lirao, about to pass the last 400. It's still Queen Mamba by a length. Indian Princess remains in second. Lirao is on the outside. Hurricane G, Graceful as the race the final corner. Queen Mamba this time by some 3 lengths now. Lirao is on the outside. Indian Princess, and hitting the finish line, it's still entry number 2, Queen Mamba. Lirao, Indian Princess, Hurricane G, Graceful, City Lights, and